The Palm Beach County Office of Equal Business Opportunity is a certifying agency for Palm Beach County government under the Board of County Commissioners. Our mission is to ensure that all local small businesses have an equitable opportunity to participate in the county's procurement process. Local businesses wishing to certify their small, minority, and/or woman-owned business can complete our paper application, or they can complete our application using our more streamlined online process. Certifying online is a simple process and is the next step after completing the vendor registration. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Log onto your VSS account with the user identification and password you created during your registration. Click on the Account Information tab, and in the Summary tab, click on the orange button. You will be taken to the EBO Vendor Portal, where you will see Welcome to Palm Beach County Online Business Portal. Step 2. Once in the EBO Vendor Portal, go to the box that says Certification Application and click on the Apply for Certification button. Affirm your authority to complete the application, select that you agree, and provide your initials and click on the Apply for Certification button. Step 3. You are now able to complete your application. Providing the most accurate and complete information is imperative to the length of the review. Once the separate portions of the application are complete, the system allows you to save and continue throughout the application. Please note the EBO Vendor Portal is only set up to allow Palm Beach County commercial and residential addresses. The system will gray out any address outside of Palm Beach County. Step 4. You will be able to upload your supporting documentation in PDF format in the Documents tab. The system only accepts PDF format documents for uploading. If there is something that does not apply to you or your business, you will indicate that by selecting NA or Not Applicable. Please note all documents submitted to the OEBO are subject to the Sunshine Law and will be considered part of public record. The OEBO offers a review of tax returns. A review of your tax return can be scheduled with your assigned specialist. If you are choosing to schedule a tax return review, you will not have to upload your tax returns. Your specialist will upload the tax review form for you. Step 5. After uploading all the supporting documents and providing answers to the necessary questions, you will have to confirm or attest that all information provided is true and correct. This is in lieu of notarizing an affidavit, as is required with the completion of a paper application. For your information, if you are applying for minority and/or woman-owned status, you are required to provide proof that you meet the necessary requirements to receive that status. Step 6. After the statement of attestation, you are ready to submit your online application. Your application will be assigned to an OEBO Small Business Specialist. Remember, the OEBO is here to assist you if you have any questions about the certification process. Thank you in advance for certifying with the Palm Beach County Office of Equal Business Opportunity. We look forward to doing business with you.